Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam, and today I'm gonna show you how to block someone's phone number on iPhone. So let's say you want to block someone you received a call from, maybe disturbed you, maybe said something bad to you. What you're gonna do is you're gonna see the I button right here with the circle. You're gonna click, and it's gonna direct you to this phone number. All right, you're gonna scroll down for a little bit, and you're gonna see block this caller. And after you block this contact, you won't receive any messages or calls from that person. So that goes for every contact on your phone as well. If you want to block someone, let's say on your contact, and you don't want to see them calling you again, you're gonna go to their name, and you're gonna just block this caller, and basically that's how you block someone's phone number. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.